Fireworks, loud, colorful, and explosive. But behind every boom is a brilliant mind. They were invented over 1,000 years ago in China, when alchemists packed saltpeter, sulfur, and charcoal into bamboo tubes. What began as a spiritual ritual is now a global spectacle of science. Today, it starts with a launch shell. Inside, there is gunpowder, packed beneath a carefully engineered payload. The shell contains stars, tiny pellets made of chemicals, fuel, and metal salts. They are arranged in precise patterns, like dots in a pixel art explosion. When the shell explodes mid-air, each star ignites, burning with intense color. Strontium makes red, copper makes blue, and sodium yields that brilliant yellow flash. To create shapes, smiley faces, hearts, rings, builders control the arrangement and timing. It's choreography in the sky. There's even a tiny delay fuse between launch and burst, calculated to detonate at the perfect height. Too early? It's dangerous. Too late? It fizzles. Precision is everything. Fireworks are engineered with safety margins, layered fuses, and symmetrical casings, all to ensure beauty without chaos. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, behind that sparkle is ancient tradition and modern engineering at its finest. This is Skynest, where big ideas take flight. Subscribe for more.